Hello, Professor. Hello, everyone. In today's presentation, our team will discuss the most recent ICT trends that four big businesses have embraced. So our group is group number one, myself, Gan Fernando, and I have my colleagues, Diniti Pereira, Sasini Lioma, and Sanjana Anthony. So this is basically our outline for the today's presentation. We'll be talking about the uh, trends about blockchain, IoT, cybersecurity, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence. And the four giant companies which have adopted the trends are Walmart, Apple, Amazon, and McDonald's. So if we talk about the blockchain, so what is blockchain? According to IBM, blockchain is a strategy that enables recording transaction and tracing movements of assets, such as either physical assets or the intangible assets, in an organization through an unchangeable digital record keeping mechanism by its kind of a ledger via a peer-to-peer network accessible to all authorized stakeholders. Due to its decentralized nature, the blockchain contributors can authorize transactions without clearance from a central governing body, making transactions fast and convenient. So, if we talk about some of the key features of blockchain technology, the first one is enhanced trust. This is because information shared within a blockchain network can be traced for origin, so accuracy, timeliness, and confidentiality are assured. The second one is increased security. The transaction need member approval before becoming valid, and it is impossible to alter the information of a block at a later stage due to nature of this technology. The third key feature is the increased efficiency. Since the digital ledger gets updated in real time across all the members, the process is time efficient and no need to conduct reconciliation. Next slide, please. So if you talk about the blockchain process, as you can see in this diagram, the blockchain process starts with a request from a participant, and then it is broadcast the request through a P2P network in a public or either private blockchain network. Once the network validates the particular transaction using complex algorithms, it forms a new block. So subsequently, the new block is combined within the existing blockchain and carries data from all previous transactions, as you can see in this diagram. Moving on to the next slide. So let's look at how Walmart Canada uses this blockchain technology to solve their supply chain challenges. So Walmart Canada is one of the largest corporations in the supply chain in retailing a wide range of products. The company offers merchandise including apparel, houseware, small appliances, electronics, hardware, grocery, and specialty services such as pharmacies, garden centers, and vision centers. Also, Walmart Canada serves customers at retail locations throughout in the Canada. So, as a pioneer supply chain management, Walmart Canada handles over 500,000 shipments per year using its own third-party carriers. One of the major issues they had was reconciling massive data differences at considerable internal cost during the payment stage for their third-party freight companies. There are nearly 200 data points when capturing cost incurred during logistic operation, as it involves movement through different time zones, borders, and climate conditions. This issue delayed vendor payments and impacted the relationship while increasing reconciliation operation costs. So in order to overcome this situation, they plan to use the blockchain technology. So by partnering with DLT Labs, a technology company, Walmart implemented a real-time delivery tracking system that traces all data points of logistic operation across 70 vendors from great intended to deliver confirmation. Moving on to the next slide. So if we talk about some of the benefits gained from the blockchain for Walmart, so they managed to reduce the invoices disparities from 70% to below 1%. And also the real-time payment authorization about delivery confirmation. And also it helps them to reduce the overhead costs during the reconciliation process. It increases the bottom line as well. And also due to timely invoice payments, it increases the trust between vendors and create a long-term partnership between them. As also in this slide, you can also see the flowchart of Walmart Canada's blockchain technology implementation and the changes that happen in each department. So moving on to the next slide, I would like to talk about some of the risks comes with the blockchain technology. The first one is the technology risks such as the data privacy risk, performance related risk, security risk. The second risk category is the operation risk, which is governance and control risk, auditability risk. The third one is the legal and regulatory risk comes with the blockchain in technology. So moving on to the next slide. So we'll talk about the our second topic, which is the IoT, Internet of Things. So the Internet of Things is a technology that attaches sensors and actuators the electronic devices and vehicle monitor, quantify and transmit data related to its internal functionality, performance and external environment parameters to a central hub like a gateway over a network by using either Wi-Fi or the LAN connection. It enables particular devices or sensors to connect the intelligent cloud-based platform that process data inputs and support decision making depending on the circumstances. As shown in the diagram also, consumers can communicate with those devices remotely through mobile or other digital devices, making it a truly effective technology. So moving on to the next slide. So we'll have a look at how Walmart leverages Internet of Things technology for their competitive advantage. So this is one of the greatest example, large-scale IoT implementation generating immense benefits. Walmart has nearly 7 million connected IoT data points through the store in the US and collects over 1.5 billion data inputs daily. The main objective of this IoT project is to analyze data inputs such as temperature and humidity of the food storage in order to increase the food quality and the wastage and measure store traffic to reduce energy utilization across the facility and their distribution channels. It eventually enabled Walmart to maintain its competitive position market leader providing high quality and low cost product to their customers. They use machine learning and advanced data analytics algorithms to identify patterns and irregularities within the enormous amount of data and respond to real time to solve any issues. And also in this slide, you can see the how Walmart used the IoT to enhance the food safety and quality during the pandemic. Moving on to the next slide. If we talk about how IoT can leverage the digital transformation journey for the business, there are several benefits that you can gain from the IoT. The first one is a transformative action. Data gathered through the network of IoT devices inside the organization can generate insights into operations, employee interaction, and customer engagement. Leaders, based on these reports, can convert these insights into action, improving underperforming areas. The second one is the risk management. By using data insights to forecast risk and take necessary preventive measures in advance. The third one is asset monitoring by assuring keeping track of the performance and health of the technological infrastructure and conduct timely maintenance to prevent unexpected breakdowns and costs. Third one is trust and transparency. Real-time data inputs from IoT devices can build trust and transparency within the organization culture. So if we talk about some of the risks associated with IoT technology, first one is data interception. Since many IoT devices are not encrypted, attackers can snag information such as login credentials without needing to decrypt it. The second one is radio frequency jamming. By interfering with radio signals, hackers can prevent IoT devices from communicating and harm the operation of the whole organization. The third one is unauthorized access. With so many interconnected IoT devices, intruders can lead serious physical breaches by using hacking mechanisms. So I would like to hand over the forum to Din to continue with the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Gayan. We'll be talking about the cybersecurity. Many companies perform their business through the internet. Even the pandemic has influenced company for digital transformations. These activities provide an opportunity for cyber criminals. Then the cybersecurity come for a major role. Cybersecurity provide protections for the software, hardware, and data which is connected to the internet. There are many key features having cybersecurity. Among them, a coverage for external threats. According to the studies, 27% of cyber attacks come from external threats. Then proper analytics under cybersecurity. This identify threats before its attack. Ensure the company data will not go to a wrong hand. So I will talking about the how Apple Inc. has implement cybersecurity. So Apple Inc. is a large American company which manufactures personal computers, smartphones, tablets, and computer softwares. Apple has forced for several cybersecurity attacks in few years. Among them, 12 millions of Apple IDs were leaked, and then hundreds of celebrities' nude pictures were leaked in 2014 by iCloud. So moving to the next slide. In that slide, I'll be talking how the cybersecurity process has been implemented by Apple Inc. So according to this diagram, a boot RAM establishes a hardware root of a trust. AES engine for the efficient and secure the cryptographic operation and protect mechanic. NAND flash storage in this diagram that uses by application processing operating system to secure hardware features in iPhones, iPad, Mac and Apple watches. So, further this cybersecurity process, it is an extra layer of a secure and make sure the sensitive data of users are protected. Moving to the next slides. In this slide, I'll be talking about what are the Apple platform security. There are five platform securities: app security, system security, service security, hardware security, and encryptions and data protection. Under the app security, Apple provides layer of protections designated to ensure that apps are free from known malware and haven't been tampered with this. As an example, if an user required to download any app for their devices, it required the Apple authorization. Considering the service security, Apple has built a set of robust services to provide more utility and productivity for their devices. These services can be mentioned as Apple ID, iCloud signing with Apple, Apple Pay, and FaceTime iMessages. And then system security. Under the system security, it's building on the unique capabilities of Apple hardware and system security designated to maximize the security operation system. So this encompasses startup process, software updates, and the ongoing operation and the operating system. So moving to the next slide, I'll be talking here benefits and risks of Apple having cybersecurity. One of the benefits is that it's very difficult for hackers to find vulnerabilities on iOS powered device because it's required code from device users. And then every Mac computer contains several features and it has their own protection virus guard since 2009. However, one of the major cybersecurity risks they face is if the hackers get into iCloud of any devices that they can have the control of the full admin control and get the admin access for the particular Apple device. So, um, uh, thank you. And next trend we'll be talking about talking with next trend will be going to talk about Sucilioma.
Thank you, Deniti. Now let's discuss one of the growing IT trends in the world, augmented reality, and how Amazon has implemented AR in its business operations to create values to customers. So, what is augmented reality? Now, let's look at this short video to have an understanding about augmented reality.
Let's look at augmented reality in just 60 seconds. Augmented reality means overlaying digital images onto the real world to enhance them with digital details. Let's think about Pokemon Go, where we look through our smartphone at the world around us and we get superimposed these digital characters. Or the way we use Snapchat filters to augment our looks, to, for example, use bunny ears for our social media photos. Just Google popular dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus and you can now use your phone to superimpose it using AR into your room to have a look around to see it in real scale. Today you can use augmented reality to try on different types of makeup. You can place IKEA furniture into your house, or you can even try different shades of Dulux paint on your walls, all via your smart device powered by AR. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
So, how does AR works? As you can see in this diagram, AR can use depth sensors, cameras, and light sensors to collect data on user surroundings. And then they measure the distance of objects, speed of the motion, distance of the objects, and angle and overall orientation of the space. And then the data is processed to show animation of real time and relevant locations. Now let's see how AR has been implemented in Amazon. As being the world's largest online retailer, Amazon has integrated AR into its online stores mainly as following features. So the first one is View in Your Room. This is a feature that allows customers to move and rotate products to see how they would look like in their homes. The second one is a virtual try on shoes feature. So this is a feature that allows customers to point their cameras in their feet and see how the shoes would look like in their in more realistic setting. And the third one is live mode makeup feature. This is also work as same and allows shoppers to digitally try different shades of lipsticks. And finally, the try on virtual hair color feature allows customers to try virtual hair colors. Moving to the benefits and risk associated with AR at Amazon. First, let's talk about the benefits. So AR boosts conversion rate, sales, and customer experience. AR helps customers to get personalized shopping experience that opens 24/7, which boosts the customer engagement and customer conversion rate. Next, with this try on before you buy feature allows customers to see how the product will look like in their homes and their bodies, resulting fewer reason to return it. Finally, uh, this AR allows companies to get valuable insights extracted during the AR sessions. For example, Amazon can see which colors and designs that the customers view most and use these informations to meet the market expectations. Now let's talk about the risk side of the augmentation reality. Main risk associated with the AR is privacy risk of the users and viewers because the digital AR devices use a lot of data of the users, including personal biometrics, identity, and background data. Second risk is the information risk. AR is exposed to risk. AR is exposed to security threats, unauthorized access. For instance, hackers can misdirect a driver using AR-powered navigation system and cause accidents. So with that, I would like to invite Sanjana to continue with the presentation. Thank you.
Uh, Thank you, Lyoma. McDonald's Corporation is an American multinational fast food chain and real estate company founded in 1940 in the US. McDonald's is a large company and the world's leading global food service retailer with over 39,000 locations in over 119 countries. Currently, McDonald's is a pioneer of tech-driven innovation from the drive-through to self-service kiosk. Its latest DT implementation utilizes artificial intelligence in restaurants by replacing human beings. Next slide, please. According to IBM Cloud Education, the science and engineering of creating intelligent devices, particularly intelligent computer system, is known as artificial intelligence. The aim of employing computers to comprehend human intellect is linked, but AI should not be limited to psychologically observable technical. AI thinks that and acts rationally instead of thinking and acting like humans. It is a field that combines computer science and robust data sets to enable problem solving. Today, much hype still surrounds AI developments, which is expected of any new emerging technology in the market. There are numerous real world applications of AI systems today. These are some of the most common examples. We can see speech recognition, customer service, computer vision, recommendation engines, and automated stock trading. Next slide, please. In 2020, McDonald's announced its accelerating the ARC's growth strategy, which includes a double down on the 3Ds. That means digital, delivery, and drive-through. And integrating these newly acquired AI technologies, AI is investing heavily in reskilling staff away from the jobs that can be easily automated, such as taking orders, and towards areas of the business where they will get to use their uniquely human abilities. Since the post-COVID period, McDonald's has implemented AI-driven voice recognition ordering system as some of its restaurants, which use synthetic human voices and natural language processing algorithms to take orders. Another initiative involves image recognition algorithms scanning number, plates, and predicting what customers would likely order based on previous occasions that vehicles had visited. Inside its restaurants, it had also experimented that dynamic menu boards that use AI to tailor the items on offer in real time based on time of the day, weather, popular orders of the moment, and how busy the restaurant is. Next slide, please. Uh, McDonald's uses AI to deliver better customer service. This aims to reduce the serving time and eliminate human errors. McDonald's assigned AI for every customer service point and tries to optimize the service as per customer requirements. So in like this, AI robots register food orders instead of human staff workers. Concerning earlier order history and trending food products, McDonald's automated ordering system can soon predict purchase orders. Voice recognition provides McDonald's food joints with suggested upgrades or meal additions concerning ongoing offers and discounts. Next slide, please. AI benefits McDonald's in every aspect of customer service. Compared to humans, AI does a great job by saving time and effort. Implementing AI demos in restaurants worldwide has shown a positive sign in using AI instead of employees. Some significant benefits are 85% orders are accurate, and only about 1/5 of the orders needs only human interference. This is available 24/7. Serving time has significantly reduced as per the customers and of course increasing customer service satisfaction. Next slide. However, AI has some risk to any organization. AI cannot be replaced humans by 100%, so it risks McDonald's and its operations too. Operational risks mean AI can be shut down or stuck anytime with operation failures. Technical risks mean technical issues that may cause errors in the system and the high cost of resetting. Privacy issues are the most dangerous one. Hackers can steal any information from systems and blackmail them negatively. Last but not least, AI causes unemployment, so this may raise an objection to AI from the society. Next slide, please. Uh, Okay, this is your time to ask your questions and concerns. Thank you so much for your time. These are our references we used for our presentation. Have a great day to all.